Hello everyone, I am Humam and I have a very simple question for you. What's in your water? Now probably you are thinking, oh, water, maybe some minerals or chlorine. But what if I told you in some places your water might contain some antibiotic, painkiller or even a hormone floating on it? Congratulations, you are taking a sip from the world's tiniest pharmacy. Now don't panic, I am exaggerating a bit. But yes, scientists have found traces of medication into our rivers, lakes or into our tap water. Now the question is, how does it enter our water environment? Let's say you have a fever, you took a medicine, your body absorbs what it needs and releases the excess amount of dose from your body in a natural way. Also, in some places, people flush down expired pill down the toilet. And the problem is that these pharmaceuticals doesn't get disappear. They are tiny, sneaky and persistent. Fish get confused, bacteria gets stronger, and we human, well, we are drinking a cocktail that we never order. So what we do? Here comes advanced oxidation processes. Consider them as a water personal superhero squad. Consists of powerful weapons like ozone and hydrogen peroxide, creating something called free radical. And those free radicals are highly superreactive molecules used to convert harmful substance into the harmless bits. In my research, I tested which advanced oxidation process works best under what conditions and how long does it take to zap those contaminants. Basically, in my research, I run a mini spa day for water, exposing the water to the right amount of the UV light, chemicals and time until it comes out clean and safe. Now the question is, why does it even matter? Well, cleaning the water is not about removing a dirt. It's about what we can't see is not hurting us. My research helps design future treatment plans to deal with those stubborn invisible threats. So next time when you drink a water, remember, science is working behind the scene to make sure water is pure. And with advanced oxidation process, we are not only cleaning the water, but also protecting the ecosystem and public health to make sure what we drink is clean, pure, science-approved, and pharmaceutical-free. Thank you.
Thank you very much.